How to create optional product bundles. Navigate to WooCommerce Products and click Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the bundled products. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your bundled products. Now navigate to the Product Data panel, and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click on the Add Bundle button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1. In the Categories field, search for a category and select it. With the Sort Products field, you can sort selected products by ID, title, menu order, date, price, popularity and rating. You can set the default quantity for each bundled product item in the Quantity field. Check the Edit Quantity by User field to allow the user to change the quantity of a product and set the min and max quantity for each item. In the Discount field, you can set discounts for the bundled products by percentage, price or fixed price. Click to add new bundle item. In Item 2. Now check the Optional field to make this bundle item optional. In the Categories field, search for a category and select it. Adjust this section according to your needs. Click to add a new bundle item. In Item 3. Check the Optional field to make this bundle item optional. And in the Categories field, search for a category and select it. Adjust this section according to your needs. Now click on the Display field. In the Title field, you can overwrite the bundle item title. In the Description field, you can overwrite the bundle item short description. In the Product Selection Title field, you can change the bundle empty item title. In the Product List Title field, you can change the product selection title of the product list. And in the Modal Header Title field, you can change the pop-up header title. Now navigate to the top of the page. From the Individual Theme field, you can set individual theme for this product bundle. If you would like to set fixed price for the whole product bundle, check this field. And navigate to the General tab to set a regular price for the product. You can set the sale price too. Uncheck the fixed price to use the auto-calculate price feature. You can check the include parent price field so that the price of the parent product is applied to the product bundle. And navigate to the General tab to set a price for the product. You can set shipping fees from this field. You can set a custom display price from this field. You can set the title for the product bundle from this field. At the end, publish the changes. Now we open the permalink to see the product bundle in front. Product bundle image, product bundle name and product bundle title. By clicking on item 1, customers can see the selected category for this item. By clicking on the info icon, customers can see the product information page. According to the settings, product selection for items 1 and 2 is optional for the customers. Item 2 with selected category. Item 3 with selected category. The customer can remove the optional product with a click on this button. List of products. Customers can adjust the quantity of products from this section. And calculated the total price. Let's click on Add to Cart to see how the product bundle is displayed in the cart. The product bundle can be seen in the cart like this. And in this way, customers can buy only one item. Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe our channel. And check description for more information.